The food here is so good. It's so good.
You can check out my playlist for this series or the makeovers I've done on my own apartment. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments.
Good morning, guys. It's the following day. I'm just sleeping really good. I woke up at 8 this morning. I guess my body is like just breaking down. It is Thursday. I haven't gone jogging since Monday, which means next week I'm gonna start again because I'm still very sore. Those squats. And by the way, I don't know if it was obvious, but during this process of me using Star Beauty's and butt enhancing products, you know, I've been doing exercises, right? So you'll be getting like a full show, and you know, you'll be seeing like results like real time. I want to say something, the oil, I really think it's the oil. My butt and my thighs feel so soft because I was used on my thighs too. So soft. And as the address say, my skin has gotten extremely bad, and that's because, sorry, I'm a picker. I pick my skin. So yeah, it's pretty bad. And you guys see my skin as well. I love this so much. Naru has a new location. I have not been to Naru in months. Naru is my esthetician, and she's also my lash tech. The bitch is amazing on lashes. I mean, beautiful lashes, baby. And my skin has never looked better than when I was working with her. No, the products I use aren't like your traditional skincare products. I don't know where she finds these products, but they're more, what do you call them? Like pharmaceutical, like, I don't know. It's more over the counter, so that I have to get now, you know. Is the term over the counter? I don't know, but yeah. And I got a saw product, and I was like, let me ask Naru if that would work for me, you know, because I don't know, but it's expensive. My skincare is getting, well, since being with Naru, it has gotten expensive as hell, but it works. Like, my skin was never doing this, and I haven't been to her in over 6 months, so I need her, and she knows this. She knows I love her too. Oh my God, she knows. She knows. She knows. So I'm actually going to be making my tea, my Star Beauty detox. You know, I haven't been making this. I haven't made this in 2 days. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Make 2, drink the 2 for 2 days, and then reuse it for 2 days. I think that's because this thing makes you go. But when I do 2, it makes me go. Because, you know, a girl loves to share. When you share, you have a flatter tummy. That's just what the Lord wants for everybody. Not like the real Lord, but you know, whatever. But yeah, so it's at the Airbnb, enjoying the crap out of myself. I have a video to upload. Oh, and I'm going on the road today, which means I need to put that video to upload while I'm out, so that Jamaica may, under God, increasing beauty, fellowship, and prosperity, and play her part in advancing the welfare of the whole human race. It's not going. Is it stopping it? Or so I'm gonna upload this video and then jump to the road and then come back, film, and then go back on the road. So it's gonna be a busy day. It's gonna be a busy weekend. It's gonna be a busy weekend. But it's gonna be good for you guys. Content, bad for me, because work. Tell me happy work. I said bad I sweat. You saw it running down? That's how bad I sweat. My hyperhidrosis is no joke. It's no joke. It's really bad. I'm dripping. I'm dripping. I'm legit dripping sweat. Medium salt mackerel with too fresh. Fresh orange juice. I want to eat in a day video, but I can't eat off. Well, I can eat off a large, but normally I start eat like a small, which is a medium, 2 boiled dumpling, banana, yam, salt mackerel. I don't know what to say.
For him, it'd definitely be great exposure for my practice. He went out there and said to because which is very much lighter. Sandbagging design was introduced from
Okay, so 2, and as I was saying, you guys, I've been eating so much. Lord God, I left the spoon. Okay, spoon. So 2 short. God damn it. Okay. The last time I had it was when I had it the last time. I haven't been drinking this tea. It tastes real good. My thing is, my tummy is swelling up again, and I'm so annoyed. I haven't. Bumba, look how I'm tired. I'm a drink coffee a while ago. You know, it's just like finding content, because this editing style is new for me. I downloaded a new software to, kind of like beef up my editing and stuff, so that when I get my camera, it'll be a software that I'm accustomed to, and I cannot get the hang of that thing at all. So it's just more of like a personal thing for me with content and creating content, like really good content, you know what I mean? But I recognize that when I'm actually speaking to the watch time goes, and I'm like, then let's do talking videos. I'm like, but I don't know what they want to talk about. So what I'm going to do is scour through. You know what I really would love? I'd love a journal. There's a girl that was supposed to get me one, and I did not get it. I was supposed to meet up with her, but that number no longer has WhatsApp on it. And for the life of me, I cannot find this girl, bro. But I would love organization videos, like organizers and like pens, stuff like that. So that's what I'm getting into now. And everything is just where I am mentally and where God has me. I remember I was supposed to be writing a book. I haven't written jack shit in that book. I really feel like it's taking a different turn. And also with planet marketing. Oh, I need to talk to you guys about planet marketing. My God, what time is it? I wonder if I can do my makeup real quick. And then just to like some talk videos, so I can have up to date 20. Let me see if I can do that. But while I'm here, if you want to get to know me, ask me some questions. I'll answer basically anything, as long as it's within the timing of information that needs to be exposed. So yeah, I'm gonna try and transfer these files, you guys, because it's not transfer. I'm looking at my head right now because I know some back facing camera me use and I can't see properly. But we're coming up, you guys. I can feel it. I haven't been hearing anything, but boy, that feeling, man, it just heavy, man. I'm glad I gotta do. Obedience is better than blood cleanse sacrifice here.
And now back to the color brown. So what do? A warm taupe to a really, really deep, rich. Back in the 90s, you remember when you've been around for a while like me, in the 90s when all the Starbucks were really starting to get popular and they had these brown tones and everybody just loved them.
Jonathan, you who got 15 kills, you have some miserable brother.
What?
Alright, which one? That one. Alright, sit back. That's amazing, Jonathan. Where's some for dog again? Which for eat the cereal? I don't know which one you normally drink. Which one you normally drink? Which one you normally eat here?
The Oreo.
Mommy, the Oreo cereal you forget?
No.
Which one? Which other one? Which other one? The vanilla?
Mommy, grandma going come. I don't know where the cereals are, you guys. Grandma going come. Can you stop, please, Jalil? There's no Oreo. There's no Oreo. You use the bathroom? You want to defecate?
No.
Urinate? What you want to do? Urinate? Yes. You want to urinate?
No.
What you want to do? What you want to do? Excuse me, what do you want to do, Jalil?
No.
Why do you take off your clothes?
No.
Why you take off your clothes? My heart is beating extremely fast. I have something to talk to you guys about. So for the past couple of weeks ago, or yeah, like over a month ago, I was having really bad anxiety where I would wake up in the mornings, where as I open my eyes, my heartbeat would race. I remember I think a couple weeks ago, yeah, some weeks ago, when it happened to me, when I opened my eyes and I felt it, I started to cry immediately because I'm like, God, what the hell is happening to me? God has always said, be anxious for nothing, be anxious for nothing. But the world that we live in has taught us exactly how to be anxious. They have not taught us how to trust in God. You see where I am right now, it feels like I am on a single man's mission. Planet marketing, for me, it broke chains for me. That's what it meant for me. It's like a job, you know, when you have a job and it means a lot to you and you work hard in the job. I'm a social media person. This is me, my talk, and I always know me. I've been doing this. I've been filming myself for over 12 years. I've gotten very accustomed to it. So because of that, the fire and the passion that I came on with Planet Marketing with, I don't think that has ever been seen before. Let me explain to this Planet Marketing. Planet Marketing is where you can work from home as a travel agent and make money. So you'll be a legitimate travel agent. You pay $200 US instead of the 10,000 US you normally pay, like to be a travel agent. And on your website, they can book travel on the website, whether it be hotel, whether it be Airbnb, car rental, the visa applications as well. You know, I've always said since I started doing Planet Marketing that I'm working on building my team. I've held off about talking about Planet Marketing for a very long time because when it was very rich in me and fiery, I got a lot of backlash, negative backlash from Jamaicans who worked at Planet Marketing. I even got a phone call from somebody who even wanted to meet with me and my team. And they told me that I was going to lose my team. That's what they said to me. That's what they said to me. And they called names. And I've never, remember, some never, when I must reach week 2 in a Planet Marketing, I must say week 1. I must say, but just start, you know. But you see, with someone, it's because with someone, everything I got always authentic and real, and I got always get the realness from me. It's when Planet Marketing happened. In terms of like a traditional job, I never did have that kind of money there. I never have the luxury there. I remember saying makeup, I never get much makeup. People remember some have to sell all my camera equipment, see me if I record with my phone. Remember, I've even said to you guys on Instagram that, you know, I have to go and buy some makeup stuff because I have makeup jobs coming up and I have no makeup. I've had to use direct money I've gotten for the part and just buy makeup. I've used up my entire money I've gotten for makeup to then help my kit. And this is me being lyric. My tab was since year. The struggles I have been going through, I have not been documenting it here. I've been talking to close friends and I have not really been saying anything to close friends this week because I've been vlogging. A Planet Marketing came in and helped, and also my Planet Marketing team, I introduced over 20 people to the business in less than a week. In less than 4 days, I was silver. I moved real. In less than a week, I was gold. 9 people signed up that I introduced to the company independently. I didn't bring them over from TLC. I didn't bring them over from nothing. I just spoke my truth. And because of the fire that I had, I got so much sign up, and that made me recognize something, that all people want is to be encouraged. All people want to know is that it can be done. I never make no money in a planet marketing yet, and I just spoke about my vision. Jesus, I just spoke about what I wanted to be in the company. I'm not telling you, say, brother, the amount of people, I want to say introduced me, sign up in the company. Hundreds of people were introduced. I mean, interested. Hundreds. The next time I am building my team, the next time I'm going to be building. Oh, let me tell you this as well. Planet Marketing Intel Travel. I am an international travel agent. You'd have to spend upwards to $10,000 in addition to the training hours and going to school and projects and all those stuff. What we did was pay $200 and we have the back end of what you had to spend the $10,000 for. Why? Because Intel Travel and Planet Marketing are partners. So because they're partners, we know get to purchase the agency at a lower cost than everybody else, because Planet Marketing, which we're a part of, and Intel Travel are partners. These two companies are partners. But now spend 10 grand years for no internet, for no travel agency. And I got this as well because of my success. A lot of people who are in the travel industry were offended, who weren't even in Planet Marketing were offended. Are you listening to me right now? All I did was spoke, and I spoke with conviction, and people were offended. The vision I have for Planet Marketing, I dare not utter anymore, because I used to, and I stopped. Because now them a wonder what go on with Lyric and Planet Marketing. I'm gonna hear you talk about it. Hey, let me just tell you this. Everything when I see it's everything is working together for my good. It says he who keeps his tongue keeps his life. You know me to the Bible. Me take things extremely literal with the Bible. I am moving in silence in the most stealth way. And everything is being revealed only to my close friends, because it's a smaller community over there, and these people genuinely pray for me. I'm gonna tell you again why I did close. It's not completely off my chest, but I got my skin off piece of my chest. So I could drink. Let me tea now. Let go. You want me to help you with this one? Oh, you want to help with? That's not it. I'm gonna do some more, yeah? What I must help you with? What do you want to do? You want to play? Oh God. Okay.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I